Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the Nike Air Max ZEPHYR in metallic silver. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap those thumbs up, we want to see those likes, and drop some comments in the comment section below. We will try our best to reply to every single comment thrown our way. Let's get into this. So today we've got a look at the Nike Air Max ZEPHYR in metallic silver, and we got this in a UK size 7.5, it's a European 42, and it's a US size 8.5. Now before we get unboxing, let us admire this box. So if you don't know, this is an amalgamation, I hope I said that right. Well, you know, I was just trying to be fancy. It's a mix of all the Air Max boxes that have come out in the past. So you can see the Air Max 95 one, the current, where is it? Oh, the TNs as well, and the current here in the middle. I'm not sure what the others are, unfortunately. Now, if you're a big fan of the Air Max 720, we did a review, just check it over here. This is a big reminder, it's like an improvement. They've added more materials to this. It just reminds me of that sneaker. Also the name, it reminds me of the ZEPHYR song by Red Hot Chili Peppers. So if there's any Red Hot Chili Peppers fans watching, show some love in the comment section below. Now, look at this sneaker. Now we are filming this in the merry month of March, which happens to be Air Max month, when Air Max is March 26th. To my recollection, I don't think there's any new Air Max models that have been coming out this year. This is the newest one, and I'm not 100% sure if this is Nike's push for Air Max month or Air Max day. I'm pretty sure they got some surprises up their sleeve, but I'd like to think I'm adding it to the collection. So here's my contribution to Air Max week, Air Max day, forgive me. And yeah, as you can see, that big Air Max unit just reminds me of the 720. Now, let's start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. Unlike the Air Max 720, which had a massive gap in the middle here, they've added more rubber, so there's more traction, better durability. I'm pretty sure that Nike have gone for that longevity. And we move along onto the midsole. So there is that wonderful large Air Max unit. It's a massive unit that just fully surrounds the sneaker. And if it's anything like the Air Max 720, I love that cushioning. It was so comfy. And if you go more along the upper, so this injected midsole is from foam. Now we get into the little details. Now, this reminds me of all the past Nike TNs. So you got that tuned air that Skepta took inspiration for his Air Max 97, and you can see the coloring on the front panels here with that metallic outlays. Just underneath it is all mesh, and again, because of the coloring, it just reminds me of that tuned air that Skepta took inspiration for. I'm pretty sure most people know this tinge of brown reflectiveness is gonna be more associated with Skepta's Air Max 97, and what a sneaker that was. We were able to get a pair, so check out that review as well. It was ages ago when I think I had a beard. I'm not rich. I think I had a beard, so watch that video anyway. So you can see all the inspiration. So Nike's thrown a lot of their past hits into the sneaker for the year 2021. Really dope that they've incorporated an air bubble here in the medial and lateral side. You can see it with the Nike swoosh. So you got all synthetic overlays. You got more metallic. It's in that silver. Going along onto the heel unit. So you got nicely padded, all synthetic materials. The pull tab, it's got an old school Air Max logo here. And if you look at the embossing, that's just below it. It's that new Air logo. It looks like macaroni. Well, to me, it just reminds me of macaroni. Going along onto the tongue, so you got a nice padded tongue, and they've incorporated a bubble, the TN, so you got a tuned air here, and it's dope. It's a really nice touch that they've added. Reminds me of the Air Max TNs. We've done the Supreme, so check out that review. So we've done a lot of Air Max reviews. I've not said it explicitly, but I really like Nike Air Max. Really comfy, and they've stood the test of time, as you can tell by Nike incorporating so many of the styles into this one sneaker. Now what you don't see is in the insole, so you got, again, loads of Nike logos imprinted there, but there is also, for the cushioning, there's a little air bubble unit on the heel. Now I can't wait to try these on to celebrate Air Max month. It is Air Max Day, I'm getting confused with my days. It's Air Max month, so I'm gonna be probably wearing these on March 26th. If not, I've got the Air Max 3s, and I think I've got a really nice one to add to the collection. Again, it's great to see Nike take inspiration from all their past hits, and what they've done and incorporated into this one sneaker, I think is really nice. If you know the details, you know it's not like they've slapped it. It's not like a what the you would get from Nike Dunk or Jordan brands, where they've done loads of styles and just loads of colorways and thrown it into one model. This is really sleek, really nice, and I can't wait to try these bad boys on. So roll that footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the sizing, guys, I do recommend that you go half a size up. These feel really tight. My toe's right here, but I'm pretty sure it might be the pods, as dope as they look, you know, these AirPods. As you can see, it feels a bit tight on the top of my feet. So maybe I should get a half size. If you're able to try them on, see what size you are. Even though these sneakers feel a bit tight, I can feel the air cushioning on the heel. That's because of that little pillow that's just over here in the heel. And I'm, pretty excited because that air bubble, it's still comfy. It's still comfy. So the underside of my feet, it's really nice. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time. Peace.